students. Today I am going to solve the rest questions of chapter 2C. Here in this video you will get solutions of the question 6 to 11, and in another video you will get the rest solutions of the questions 12 to 17. Now let's start. Exercise 2C. Question number 6. By selling oranges at the rate of 6 whole 3 by 4 per orange, a man gets rupees 378. How many oranges does he sell? Here, number of oranges is equal to total divided by rate per orange. If we do in this process, we will get the answer. Here total cost rupees 378 divided by rupees 6 whole 3 by 4. $378 divided by 6 4 ja 24 plus 3 27, 27 by 4. 378 into 4 by 27. Here we have to divide it by 9. 9 3s are 9 4s are 36 and 9 2s are 18. 3 14s are 42 and 14 into 4 is equal to 56, and this one, the total oranges. How many oranges does he sell? He sells 56 oranges. This one the answer of this question. Now this one the total solutions of these questions, but the next time I will give you only the hints. I will write the question and just a clue I will give it. Now in question number 7, see here, mangoes are sold at rupees 43 whole 1 by 2 per kg. Here unit value has given. What is the weight of the mangoes available for rupees 326 whole 1 by 4? What is the weight of the mangoes? The weight of the mangoes are, again, the mangoes sold here given, so total amount divided by rate per kg. Rate per kg of mangoes. Rate per kg of mango. The total cost is rupees 326 whole 1 by 4. It is divided by rupees 43 whole 1 by 2, and when we simplify it we will get our answer. Here this one the mixed fraction, and this mixed fraction will change into improper fractions After that, you will have to solve it. Now, in question number 8, Vikas can cover a distance of 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometer in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours on foot. How many kilometers per hour does he walk? This one the distance and time has given. So how many kilometer does per hour does he walk? Solutions. Vikas can cover the distance in 1 hour is equal to total distance divided by time taken to complete it, which you said time taken. Here 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometer is the total distance, and the same distance Vikas has covered it in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours. When this total distance will divided by total time taken, that time you will get the unit value, and Vikas can cover the distance in 1 hour. It will the solutions of it. Hence, 3 questions I have solved. Only I have given the clue, which you say hints. When you simplify it, you will get your answer. Now, next 3 questions. Next question is, Priti bought 8 whole 1 by 2 kilogram of sugar for rupees 242 whole 1 by 4. Find the price of sugar per kg. Price of sugar per kg is equal to total cost divided by purchase. Purchased sugar in kg. Total cost is 242 whole 1 by 4 divided by 8 whole 1 by 2 kg. Hence, you can solve it and you will get the value of per kg of sugar. In question number 10, see here, if the cost of a notebook is rupees 27 whole 3 by 4, how many notebooks can be purchased for rupees 249 whole 3 by 4? How many notebooks? Number of notebook number of notebooks is equal to total cost divided by cost of one notebook. Very simple. Rupees 249 whole 3 by 4, which is divided by rupees 27 whole 3 by 4. This mixed fraction will change into improper fractions, and after that you will divide it. And the last one, at a charity show, the price of each ticket was rupees 32 whole 1 by 2. The total amount collected by a boy was rupees 877 whole 1 by 2. How many tickets were sold by him? Number of tickets sold by him. Number of tickets sold by him is equal to total collected amount divided by price of each ticket. Simple. Here, total cost of the ticket is 877 whole 1 by 2, and the cost of one ticket is rupees 32 whole 1 by 2. And this one the literature. You may change the literature as your desire, but the simplification will be the same. And when you solve these questions, when you solve it, and you will get the answer. Here I have given you only the clue. During solve the maths, you must have to use the calculation, not to totally depend on the teacher. Process have given by me, and you must have to solve it, and then you will get the answer. Hence, this is completed, and in next video I will provide the rest 6 questions like the same way. And wherever, once again I will say, wherever you have a problem, you may write the same questions in the comment box. I will solve it, and one day I will fix, for whenever the chapter will complete, I will fix one day, on that day, where all problems, whatever it is written in your comment box, all problems will be solved from the related chapters. Pages also I will write, lest you will get your hints and then solve it. Till have a nice day. You will labor hard at your home. Thank you.